Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best camp stove is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual camper, having a reliable camp stove can make all the difference in your cooking experience. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the top camp stoves on the market, comparing their features, and helping you decide which one is right for your next adventure. Number 5. Gas 1 Portable Butane Camping Stove. This portable stove is perfect for camping, tailgating, and outdoor cooking. It offers automatic ignition and precise heat control, making it easy to use in various situations. It's a reliable choice for your outdoor adventures. This stove boasts high output and is fuel efficient. It can boil water quickly with 7,650 BTU. Remember to use it with an 8-ounce butane canister, which is sold separately. Safety is a priority with this stove, as it meets the highest safety standards. It's CSA approved and equipped with a fuel cartridge injection safety feature. If it detects a problem, it will automatically eject the butane canister. Forget about matches or lighters. This stove features a piezo-type electric starter with a safety shut-off system. It's designed for ease of use and convenience, making your cooking experience smoother. This stove is easy to use and reliable for camping, outdoor cooking, and home emergency kits. It comes with a carrying case and a user manual for your convenience. It's designed for outdoor use only. Enjoy a clean and efficient burn with this stove, along with its silent operation. It's designed to provide a pleasant cooking experience without any distracting noise. It's perfect for outdoor use. What we like. This stove boasts high output, ensuring your water boils quickly. It also has top-notch safety features, giving you peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient stove for camping or tailgating, this one is a great choice. What people say. The flame control is precise and easy to manage, fuel efficiency is impressive, and we've had no issues with butane leaks during use. It boiled my coffee water quickly. Easy to start and adjust. Puts out plenty of heat for most cooking and lasts an adequate amount of time. Stores away nicely. Seems well made. Butane fuel is not hard to find in many areas and not expensive and is easy to insert and remove. Has normal sensitivity to wind for an open flame. Haven't had any problem with fuel leakage. Size is good for most cooking. Stable to cook on. Good for emergencies and general outdoor cooking. Number 4. Odoland 6PCS Camping Cookware Kit. This 6-piece camping cookware kit is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It includes everything you need for cooking, all in one convenient package. It's perfect for backpacking, hiking, and picnics. The kit includes 2 non-stick pots, a camping stove, a spork, a cleaning cloth, and a carry bag. This set is designed to be incredibly durable and lightweight. It's the best money you'll ever spend on camping gear. The camp stove and pot handles fold for space-saving storage. The pots are made from non-toxic anodized aluminum, ensuring they are both solid and lightweight. It conducts heat quickly, making cooking a breeze. This set is designed to be compact and portable. All the items, including your gas tank, can be packed together. This makes it ideal for daily backpacking trips. The foldable design allows for easy storage and transport. The entire cooking set fits neatly into a mesh bag. Take it with you on all your outdoor adventures. This cookware kit is perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, and picnics. It's super portable, making it easy to cook delicious meals wherever you go. Share great food with family and friends. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one package, including everything you need for cooking. It's also incredibly durable and easy to carry. If you are planning a backpacking trip or a picnic, this compact and complete cookware set is perfect for you. What people say. The stove is beautifully compact and lightweight even with the fuel canister tucked inside. The frying pan works perfectly as a lid when boiling water in the pot, and also served to strain water out after cooking. The ability to dial in the flame for fast water boiling, or to more slowly warm a meal was perfect. Number 3. Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Stove. This Coleman stove is lightweight and compact, perfect for any outdoor adventure. The included carry case makes it easy to bring along to the campsite, picnic, or even the roadside. It features a single adjustable burner, allowing for precise temperature control. This feature ensures that you can cook your meals to perfection. Cleaning up is a breeze with the removable porcelain-coated grate. The rust-proof aluminum burner adds to the durability and ease of maintenance. The large base provides a stable surface, making stirring easy and safe. This design enhances the overall cooking experience. With InstaStart ignition, lighting is automatic and matchless. It delivers 7,650 BTUs of cooking power, ready to cook your food. The wind baffle helps shield the flame from wind, ensuring consistent cooking performance. This feature makes it reliable in various weather conditions. It is designed to fit one 10-inch pan, providing ample cooking space. It can operate up to 1.25 hours on high with one 8.8-ounce butane gas cylinder. What we like. This stove is super portable and comes with a carry case, making it easy to bring anywhere. It also offers precise temperature control and matchless lighting. If you like simple and easy-to-use camping gear, you should consider this one. What people say. It is compact and the butane canisters are small too. Easy to use, lightweight, no problems with the ignition, and no negative issues. It was super easy to use, has a very quick and easy to use starter, the flame control is great, it was easy to clean, and it was big enough to hold a decent sized skillet. Number 2. Gas 1-wood burning camping stove. This camping stove is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand heavy use and high temperatures. It's designed to last, and the edges are smooth for safety and easy cleaning. The stove features a durable stainless steel construction with a windproof serrated cross stand. This design provides a stable base for your cookware, maximizing heat contact for efficient cooking. Forget about carrying heavy fuel canisters. This stove lets you cook with twigs, branches, leaves, or alcohol. It offers a convenient and versatile fuel solution for any outdoor adventure. This stove is an eco-conscious choice, eliminating the need for fuel canisters. By using natural fuel sources like wood, it produces no chemical emissions, leaving a minimal environmental footprint. Enjoy the outdoors with this versatile stove. It's ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnics, barbecues, and outdoor survival. Take it with you and enjoy a great meal anywhere. What we like. This camping stove is made of durable stainless steel and offers an unlimited fuel source. It's also environmentally friendly, using wood as fuel. If you enjoy outdoor adventures and want to minimize your environmental impact, this is the stove for you. What people say. The stove is very easy to use. The camp stove is very portable and easy to set up. It has a nice design. Number 1. Kuvik titanium wood stove, ultralight and compact. This ultralight titanium wood stove is designed for backpacking. It collapses down to a mere 0.2 inches thick and weighs only 6.8 ounces. The carrying case keeps your gear clean. The stove is compact, measuring 6.25 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches. It's easy to transport and set up. The included carrying case prevents soot transfer. Setting up the stove is simple. Just insert the tabs into the slots to create a freestanding fire pit. It has an opening for easy fire stoking and a rack for pots and pans. This stove uses organic materials found around your campsite. You can use dry twigs, sticks, grass, roots, or bark. This eliminates the need for fuel canisters. Made from grade 1 titanium, the stove is both strong and ultralight. It's corrosion resistant and built to last in various weather conditions. It's as strong as steel but weighs half as much. This titanium wood stove is perfect for bug-out bags and survival kits. It's robust and reliable, giving you confidence in harsh conditions. It's an indispensable tool for any outdoor adventure. What we like. This stove is ultralight and compact, perfect for backpacking. It's also quick and easy to set up, and its versatile performance makes it suitable for various situations. If you are an ultralight backpacker or need a reliable stove for survival situations, it's a great choice. What people say. The stove is very easy to use. The camp stove is lightweight and compact. It has a nice design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.